Welcome everyone, and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials. My name is Mario Stabil. I'm a senior 3D character artist and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, you will learn how to create the high poly of a semi-realistic character using modern workflows from start to finish. There is a lot that we'll be covering in this course, but the main topics are as follows. 1. Blocking out the character in ZBrush to set the basis and proportion. 2. Creating the realistic cloth simulation in Marvelous Designer. 3. Creating the accessories and hard surface pieces in 3ds Max. 4. Detailing the character in ZBrush to achieve realistic result. 5. Using XYZ workflow to detail the face and skinning. And 6. Creating stylized hair in ZBrush using curve process. Now, as you can imagine, there will be so many more things covered in this course. Essentially, the way you should think about this is at the end of this course, you will be able to create exactly what you see in this trailer. As for the programs that we will use, we will be using ZBrush for blocking and high poly detailing, Marvelous Designer for all the cloth simulation, and 3ds Max for hard surface modeling and accessories. We will surely use Topogon for retopology, but it can be replaced with any other retopology tool. We will start by going over our reference and then dive right in and create the blockout of our character in ZBrush. Then we will create all of our cloth simulations in Marvelous Designer to later on bring again into ZBrush and detail them. Once that is done, we will jump into Topogon, retopologize some of the blockout pieces to later on use as a base in 3ds Max, where we will be cleaning up the high poly model of all of our character accessories and hard surface pieces. Finally, we will jump into ZBrush one last time to create the hair, detail the face using XYZ displacement maps, and detailing the character to achieve eye-catching results. With a total of 28 chapters, this course is considered a large course, but I feel confident that at the end of this course you have the know-how on how to use different workflows to create realistic characters. As always, although there is a few time-lapses for repetitive tasks, these time-lapses include some commentary on top to give context on the thought criteria used in them. Now, this course is targeted more towards intermediate artists who already have some basic understanding of the programs mentioned. If you're an absolute beginner, I do recommend that you first view some introduction courses. This course will also come with auto-generated subtitles in English, Chinese, and Spanish. I hope that you will enjoy this course and that it will have a positive impact in your life. Once again, my name is Mario Stabil, and thank you for watching Fast Track Tutorials.